Hey guys, welcome. My name is George Nasser. I'm going to show you today a very powerful tool in Arcam, which is Autodesk Premium 2018. I hope you enjoy this. So a lot of people, what they do, they focus on the mirror vectors. I'm going to focus on the mirror relief, and you're going to see what I'm talking about. So first, we're going to start with just a simple model. Okay, we're going to do rotary. Pick the size, and we're going to select it. So it's very important. So now let's say we draw a shank. So let's change this to a rectangle. And so let's do it here. Okay. I'm going to press T and I'm going to kind of angle it a little bit just to see what I'm talking about so you get the effect. So I'm going to add a few stones here. Okay. A lot of times people, they use the mirror vector, which is this one here. See the mirror object, which is a vector. So right through the center line, which is this line here, and this line. So both lines are very important line. That's why they did. So this is not 100% accurate, but just to give you the effect and the idea. Okay. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna add some prawns. Just a few. I'm not gonna go crazy. Okay. Okay. One, two. Okay. I'm just gonna do that just so you see how it copies over. So now we're gonna raise this. So I'm gonna create a split shank ring just by drawing just one rectangle here and by adding stones to it that quickly. Okay, it's gonna be that simple. So you only need to work with one area of Arcam. So you don't need to draw, you don't need to copy this over, copy to the bottom and raise it. That's too much work. So I'm gonna show you a much simpler way. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna raise the relief first. So we're gonna give it a height. So let's say 2 mm, apply, cancel. Okay, and you can see this is our shank. Okay, it's a split shank. All right, so let's add the actual stones. Let's punch them through so you get the effect. And we're gonna punch this, and we're gonna raise the prawns. I said this is for demonstration, nothing crazy and accurate. So 3. So that's good enough for now. Cancel. So here's what I do. That's it. I'm done. So to you, it looks just like a quarter of a shank. So I'm going to make a split shank. Okay, that's simple. See, this tool here is extremely powerful. It's called Relief Mirror Merge. No one seems to use it. When I show it to people, they're like, "Oh, I didn't even know this existed." So this tool is very powerful. So here's what we're going to do first. We're going to select it. We're going to select the top to bottom. Okay, and we're going to do left to right. And here's our ring. That's it. You're done. You complete the ring without drawing any other lines. So there's your complete ring. And you could add, whatever baskets and so forth in the middle and to create whatever. As I said, this is not 100% accurate, but just you get the idea of it, okay? Just to have it, okay? And that's how quickly you can create something just by drawing one single line. See? One single line. That's it, okay? It's that simple. And same idea applies to a flat model. So let's close this one. Let's go to a flat model. Select. Not going to save that. All right. Let's draw a box right in the center. Okay. F9. Make sure it's dead center. We're going to draw our circle. I'm going to make sure my circle is dead center. If you press T, you'll see that's off. See, those nodes need to be dead center. Or if you press F9, that will center it, but you have to drag it up. Okay, but this is much easier. So this is one. So I'm just only gonna add few. Okay, just here, so you get an idea. All right. So if I'm creating a halo setting, so let's make our box a little smaller. Okay. All right, just for me to draw something. Okay. So okay. So now we're gonna take this. Let's say draw something here. We're gonna stay within this here. Okay. So let's delete this one, and you could leave this one here as long as it's either before the center line or on the dead center line. So right in the middle of that center line or over to the side of it. So that's it. There's our halo setting right now. We're pretty much all done. Okay, F9. So I'm gonna raise this. I'm gonna give this a height, 2mm, cancel. You can see it, and we're gonna zero this. So here's our box. Okay, that's simple. Let's work in 3D so you get an idea. All right, so let's look at these holes here. You could group them. I'm gonna punch them through. There's our holes. Okay, now watch how easy that's gonna be. That's it. I'm done. My halo's finished. You could add prawns. Let's add a prawn just to make it look exciting. Okay, because right now it's kind of blah. Okay, so let's add a prawn. Okay, let's put it right there. Okay, so you can see the actual effect of the actual halo setting. Okay, all right, two here. All right, so put one right there. And why not add these two here? So I'm going to select these prawns. Okay, we might need two here, so copies. So let's give them before the center line. Okay, so they're not going to be perfect, but just to get the idea. So shift to select those, right click group, and let's raise these 3mm. Okay, let's look at them. These are the prawns, and I'm done. There's my halo setting. Now watch how powerful this tool is. You go right there, relief mirror merge. Remember, we're going to go top to left, left to right, and I'm done. You can see my halo is done just by drawing a few circles, and you're all done, ready to go. That's it. It's that simple. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, and I appreciate it.